During our Te Reo Māori courses, we get all students, including Pākehā, to learn about their whakapapa. And I want to explain why whakapapa is important for non-Māori to learn too. Whakapapa at its very core is an explanation of our existence. I've noticed in my whānau that those of us who had the opportunity to learn about our whakapapa have moved forward in the world with this invisible armour. We are armed with the knowledge of why we are what we are. And I feel these answers are taken for granted in Te Ao Pākehā. You know, we grow up, we idolise independence, we move forward into the world alone to create a new world. But there is a reason we say ka mua, ka muri, which means walking backwards into the future. I feel this is because Māori armed with whakapapa understand that we exist not randomly, not alone, but are here because of those who came before. We remember them and carry them with us into the future. Learning whakapapa might be a difficult experience for Pākehā because those embarking on a reo journey are often aware of their whānau's role in history. But claiming you are Ngāti Pākehā is not really an acknowledgement of that history or of your origin. Who were your ancestors? What clan or tribe were they? Where did they live? What were their mountains and rivers? Or whose land did they reside on? Because those answers belong to you too. There is pain to work through, but there are answers on the other side, and it's better to know than to not know, so we can move forward armed with knowledge. Hoi anō, that's just my whakaaro.